Hey guys, I'm Cinquanta Cox-Smith and I teach side hustlers how to find more money. You can check my website out at www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. All right, so today I am going to get into teaching you guys how to use affiliate accounts. My priority today is just to teach you about Amazon affiliate income, and then by the end of the video, I am going to go over a few different affiliate sites that you can use to gain more money, extra money, a little extra side income in your business. So here are two reasons you should already be an Amazon affiliate. Because one, you shop there probably 3 times to 4 times a week, and you also have that handy dandy wish list. Now this is for my authors who have ebooks, audiobooks, paperbacks, and journals on Amazon. Also to the ones who use Amazon merch, Amazon FBA, and also Amazon custom. You should be using Amazon affiliates. I know you're wondering how. So once you sign up for an Amazon affiliate account, you will get access to a link that is just for you. They call it something, not a code. I can't remember the exact name, but it would have like a tracking ID at the end of any link that you create on their platform. On their homepage, once you get into the system, you can type in just about anything in the search box and it'll come up. And you'll grab the link. And from that link, you can share it on different platforms, on your Facebook page, on your Instagram. But with that link, anyone who purchases anything from that link within 24 hours, whether it's the item that you want them to buy or something else that they already put in their cart or something that they decided to buy, you will get a percentage of that purchase. So this is how that works. Each level and department in Amazon has a percentage. So books have a different percentage from electronics. Clothing have a different percentage from, let's say, Amazon Kindle stuff. So every department has a different percentage. So you will not get the same percentage from every department. So your affiliate income will be up and down and different for each department. So once you grab your link, what I normally do is if it's something super big and something that I know I'm going to focus on, I grab that link and I take it over to Bitly. So I can make it a link that has a name, excuse me, a link that has a name that is tailored to whatever I am promoting. So when I'm promoting it, it's easy for me to say, oh, bam, I got my link. So whenever, and it tracks back to Amazon. So whenever they click on that link, I know that I can double dip on my income. And this is what I call double dipping, because you not only get income from them purchasing the item that you're promoting, you also get affiliate income from that item. And they do have this thing called bounties on Amazon. So if someone was to start a ACX, which is Audible, an Audible account based off the link that you shared, is a first time Audible member, you will get a bounty for basically converting that person. They purchase through your link and you get the bounty. Also with Kindle, you can get a bounty. I know the highest bounty, I believe, is from Audible. So get people to start using your link so that you can get paid. Another way you can do this is if you sell on Amazon merch. Share your t-shirts via your affiliate links. Set up your influencer store. You can have an influencer store with Amazon, which is super helpful this day and age, because it's like this platform just for you and it's your website basically, and you can create little blocks, little sections, so that people can shop. They can shop like your books, they can shop your clothing, they can shop, what else? Anything you put up there, really. I think I have books, I have like business startup stuff and clothing. Like I buy a lot of stuff, clothing from Amazon, dresses, when I go certain places. So that's one of the main reasons why you should be on Amazon affiliate. And I've taught you a little bit how it works. So you go over to Amazon Associates and sign in for an account. You can use your Amazon account email that you already have once you get approved or started, and then you can go in and request for an influencer account to see if you're approved there as well, so that you can have a set side store for you to go ahead and start putting things up. So I hope you guys understood that. I feel like I was all over the place, but for the most part, if you are selling anything on Amazon, if you're buying anything off Amazon, you should have an affiliate account. Basically, if people are constantly asking you, oh my gosh, girl, where did you get that dress? And you're constantly saying Amazon, you need an Amazon affiliate account so you can share the link to that dress, that socks, that bra, that swimsuit, so that you can get paid for basically advertising something that you were already going to buy, or something, or doing something. You get paid for doing something that you already been doing, but it's like an incentive to it. So next I'm going to tell you guys a little about a few different affiliate accounts that you can check out. Two that I know is like ClickBank, Commission Junction, and ShareSell. Those are affiliate accounts where you can get commission on larger retail stores and like subscription boxes. They have a long list of things that you can get from those type of affiliate accounts. All right, so because most of us here are entrepreneurs, you can also get affiliates from things like Ebates, Printful, Sticker Mule, Printify, Zazzle, just about any place that you purchase goods from. If they have an affiliate account, search their website to see. So every time that I mention Printful, I should be sharing my Printful link. Anytime that I tell people how awesome I think Sticker Mule is, I should be sharing my Sticker Mule affiliate link. So those are just examples of other ways that websites that you go to and you shop on constantly, check always to see if they have affiliate accounts, especially if you get the question constantly in your inbox, oh my gosh, where did you get that from? You should be an affiliate of so many different websites that it makes no sense that you just have checks coming from everywhere every month. All right, so I think I shared a good amount of information to you guys about affiliate income and ways that you can get started today. So leave me a comment below and let me know if you already have an affiliate account and if you use any of these services already, or if you're going to go sign up for an affiliate account today. Again, I am uploading from now until the 5th of October. So make sure that you check out all of my videos on ways to sell on social media. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, my name is Cinquanta Cox-Smith, and I teach entrepreneurs and side hustlers how to find more money. You can visit my website at www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Peace.